Well, my name is Roman Krivochenitser. I just recently joined Fraser Eye Care. I did residency at the University of Wisconsin, did fellowship in glaucoma and complex anterior segment surgery at the University of Michigan, and then after that I was in private practice for a few years in Colorado. I went to Michigan State for undergrad, so I'm definitely a Go Green Spartan. I did fellowship at the University of Michigan, but I'm a Spartan first. Well, there are a lot of reasons I chose eye care. I knew I wanted to do some surgical subspecialty, and one of the things that one of my mentors told me when I was going through medical school is always pay attention to the other residents, fellows, and attendings and how happy they are. I've never met an ophthalmologist who's not happy. Everyone's very worried about their eyesight and very thankful once we can help with that. So it's a very rewarding specialty. It's got great hours and patients are amazing. I like to work out, I like to do CrossFit, I like to play beach volleyball, and recently I've really gotten into pickleball. I think what keeps me motivated is personal growth, not just in a professional sense to learn new techniques, new surgeries, provide that for patients, but in general. I mean, it's one of the reasons I like to learn new hobbies and pick up new skills, because I think once you're past the residency, the fellowship, the educational side of things, you have to keep finding new challenges to keep you interested in life. Well, when you do this long enough, you have a lot of good patient stories. I think one of the ones that sticks out is I had a young patient who came in with chronic headaches, and she was on headache medications for a long time and tried injections like Botox injections and all these things, and no one could figure out why she was having headaches. And one of the common missed causes of headache is angle closure. It's a type of early glaucoma, which when diagnosed, it's a pretty easy fix. So we took her cataracts out, took her to surgery even though she was young, because this is an indication for cataract surgery that is not often used. And when she came in day one, she said that was the first time in 10 years that she had not had a headache. That was really cool to be able to do that for someone. So I come from an immigrant family. I was actually born in Moscow, but I was very young when I moved to the United States. Being part of that tight-knit community was very instrumental in my childhood. We come from a very tight-knit family, which is why I came back to Michigan. And just having that family feel really is how I try to embrace and practice medicine. I often tell my patients, if you were my mom, if you were my dad, this is what I would do, this is what I would recommend. I think that really helps to have that perspective, to be able to do what I think is the best for the patient, because I would treat them like I would anyone of my siblings. Hybrid, because I have a Mac, but I'm definitely an Android user. Nature, 100%. I want to be in the mountains. I love to hike. I do backpacking. I've backpacked a different country every year for 13 years, and I haven't missed. If I had a superpower, it would definitely be teleportation.